Hi everyone, it's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. That makes you a bunny. That makes me Kendra. That makes us Kendra and the bunnies. Today we have a product unboxing and a product review. It is hex lights. I put a hex on you. So let's check it out. These are interactive LED modules, the Wi-Fi edition. It includes 7 LED lights. They're app controlled, works with Alexa, has wall adhesives. Oh my gosh, we can like stick these on the walls. Okay, so it comes with the hex modules, and that stands for hexagon, which is this gorgeous shape. All arrows must point away from the first module. This light, we have these connectors in place like that. Okay. Oh my gosh! Okay, and here is how the hex light looks. I've added it to my wall behind my desk, so I will be lit up from all angles. Right now this is on the music mode, and it adjusts as it hears music, and it's so gorgeous. There's even an app called Tuya that you can download, sign up, and then you can customize and personalize the light on the app. It's controllable and even programmable. So I have mine set to turn on every day at 6 p.m. and turn off at midnight. I really like this nightly routine. It helps me like get in the mood to calm down and get ready for bed. Also, it connects to my Google Home or an Alexa. Found it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.